What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 74 of the Webull Option Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium. Our long-term goal right now is to try to collect about 1% every single month in option premium, and so that's what we're trying to go. Over time, as I get better at it, we're going to bump it up to 2%, but right now we're trying to get to about 1%, which I think we're doing fairly well. And we're going to go over the portfolio, guys. I'll show you all the trades I did this week, and then we'll jump into the Google Sheets. You'll be able to see everything, because I did start doing some rolling on some of the positions that I do have, but we made some pretty good money. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you'll see, the portfolio is at $28,689.17. You'll see that it's actually down about 31.52%, which is about negative $58. If we look at the cash balance, you'll see it's at $28,931.17, and then our options buying power is at $19,931.17. So we do have quite a bit of options buying power. I have been holding off from placing some positions because this week the CPI numbers came out, and next week we might also get some volatility with everything that's going on. So as you'll see that on Friday towards the close, we started seeing a big sell-off in the market, but you'll see right away, guys, that the first position that we do have is actually one cash secured put on TQQQ with a strike price of $27. This is actually going to expire on the 17th of June 2022. So next week, next Friday, we collected $1.25. It's worth about $1.71. And this is because TQQQ actually went down on Friday when I placed this trade. I actually ended up rolling this from a previous position that I do have open. Again, we'll jump into the Google Sheets where I'll show you all the trades where it'll become a lot clearer, but I think we're doing pretty good managing this trade. We used to have this position up, I believe, $35 strike price, so we're doing pretty well for it going down to 27 strike price. So we will see how this plays out. If Friday we are still down, or we will get assigned, we're trying to avoid getting assigned the 100 shares, we will end up rolling it. So I think this is pretty good here. But anyways, before we do jump into the next one, guys, be sure that you're subscribed with that notification. If you have not done so, drop a big thumbs up on the video to help out the channel. That is all I ask in return. Helps out a lot, guys. And the next one here that we do have that we actually placed, it's actually one cash secured put on Altria with a strike price of $45. It's actually going to expire the 8th of July of 2022, so roughly about a month from now. I usually like to put monthly options, which are a lot better for me. It gives me the opportunity to potentially buy them out earlier if the market or that particular stock moves up or down. And then you'll see that we did collect 45 cents or $45, and we are actually down in the negative. It's actually worth $53, so we're down about $8 or so. But I'm not worried about this one. If worst case comes, we can always roll, which we've actually getting pretty good to it. So I'm actually really enjoying rolling. The other thing that we do have here, guys, which is our last one, is actually two cash secured puts on SOXL with a strike price of $9, and this is actually going to expire on the 1st of July of 2022, so roughly about maybe 3 more weeks or so. And we collected $7, so roughly close to 1%, a little less than 1%, but 1% on these two cash secured puts. But overall, guys, we do have quite a buying power. We can put some positions in. I'm just waiting for next week. I believe the Fed's going to be speaking and deciding on the interest rates on the hikes, especially with CPI just continue to go up. So we will see what happens. I just want to have this plenty of buying power. I don't want to enter positions right now, and then the options are worth way more. So we will see how that plays out. Let me show you guys the history, because one of the subscribers had requested this to show you guys the trades. So you'll see here where I believe it's the buy. That's where we started. We actually bought back our TQQQ. then right away we sold another one, and that is because we were able to collect a lot of the premium, and then we were able to place it again. But again, once we jump over to the Google Sheets, you'll be able to see a lot clearer. Then we bought it back again, and then we held it out till Friday, and then we placed the TQQQ option, but we also sold an Altria position there, as you guys see. But yeah guys, this is what I have on the Webull app. Again, be sure to subscribe with that notification if you have not done so already, and drop a big thumbs up on the video. Let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets so I can show you guys all the trades and how much we made for this week. Alright guys, so we're at the Google Sheets in the dashboard. Let's go ahead and find out how much we actually made for this week, which is actually pretty exciting. So if we look, we actually started this week on the 6th of June. So this is actually kind of our second week of June so far, and then we ended on the 10th. So far we've made $105.69 this past week, which is actually pretty good. And we remember we do have quite a bit of buying power, so I'm pretty happy with that. Credits that we collected, $335.79, and then debits we spent about $230.10 exiting certain positions. This is mostly just rolling, and then nothing in gains, nothing invested. And then if we look at the graphs guys, you'll see that for the month of June we are at $157.32, which is actually pretty awesome. We're getting close to last month's, overall we do need to bump this up, but I think hopefully next week some good opportunities present themselves. If we look at the monthly performance, you'll see that for June we are at 0.56%. Our goal is to try to get this to 1%, so we're about halfway there. And then if we look at the weekly performance, you'll see that we made $105.69, which brought our total to 28K. And then over here guys, total we've collected in premium so far, $769.81, comes about 2.73%, and then you can account for taxes if it's a taxable account. Over here for credits guys, this is the main one I wanted to show you. So you'll see that we do still have the SOXL that we opened on the 2nd of June, still open. Strike price, which you guys saw, $9, 2 of them, and it was a total about $14, still open. The next one we did have here guys, which was the TQQQ one, we had placed this one, it was till the 6th, I guess the 17th of June of 2022. We actually had placed it on the 3rd of June, which was I believe Friday or so, and then we closed it on Monday I believe. So we held it over the weekend. We ended up rolling it because we collected about $200, and then we bought it back, I believe at we bought it back at $115, and so we kept that difference in premium. And then from there we ended up placing another one guys, and then we actually placed it at the same strike price. So TQQQ, same expiration date, we placed it that exact same day that we closed it. We collected $1.66, and then it was about $165, and then from there we actually rolled it. So if we look at the debits, we rolled it the following day. So TQQQ buys $115 again, so we kept the difference from 165 minus 115, so we kept about what, $50 or so. And then if you look at the credits here guys, so then we placed on the 9th of June, we placed the Altria cash secured put that expires a month away from now, at a strike price of $45, and then we collected about 45 cents, which is about $44 or so, $45. And then on the 10th of June we placed TQQQ for the same expiration that we had earlier. We were just waiting on the CPI values, and that was a cash secured put. We actually lowered our strike price, so we went down from 31 to 27. We collected about $1.25, and then that's about it. It's open now. We will see how this one plays out till Friday guys. We might actually end up having to roll it, but we will see. It's always exciting, looking forward to every next week. But yeah guys, this is what I have on the credits. On the debits, as you guys saw, it was just the 2 rolls that we did. On the gains, there's actually nothing in gains, and then actually nothing in current buys. And then if yeah, this is basically all I have for you guys. Definitely look forward to next week. It's very exciting seeing if we can achieve the 1%. I think we will. And then get ready for that volatility. I will catch you guys in the next video. Again, be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification if you have not done so, and drop a big thumbs up on the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye guys.